So right now I'm in apartment. Right now we're going in because the weather is so beautiful, and I want to show you this view from my window. It's really so beautiful. I hope you guys like it, and mostly you guys subscribe my channel because I'm new here and you will enjoy with me a lot. So right now we're going outside. We're gonna show you all these things. It's very beautiful weather. I hope you guys enjoy. And now I show you this video. It's very beautiful and the weather is very good. It's neat to be travel every time like that in this weather. I like really mostly the weather is like it's like a normal, and yes, because it's mostly, you know, it's too much hot. It's really difficult to travel and all these things to need to handle. And now is good, very perfect time to go for out, and I need to show you all these things. Keep and just stay with me. Okay, let's go. And guys, there's also some beautiful market and Senaya. It's very beautiful market. Some vegetables, all these things. It's very cheap prices. If you guys come to Ajman, you can visit Senaya and vegetable market. It's very beautiful, fresh and vegetables and all these things you're gonna buy. This market is the female things that you're gonna buy and very cheap prices. This is Al Waha shop market. It's very good location and cheap prices. You know, if you're gonna buy some ladies cloth or more something like that, you're gonna buy it and for a very cheap price. You see it, this is the meat market. It's very cheap prices. If you're gonna guys come, you can also visit this one. It's very beautiful and you will love the prices. It's very not high, just only low. You see it, the vegetable market. It's very good. Fresh vegetarian and fresh fruits is available. You guys visit and you guys enjoy the food. Okay, here in Senaya. The location is Senaya and it's very beautiful. The front of Mark Zeus is a new market that people are saying in here. So it's very beautiful. You guys all enjoy with this beautiful views. I just show you all these things. Thank you so much for supporting. Love you guys all.